हेलो ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग? आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू चिकू एकेडमी। कैसे हैं आप लोग? बहुत दिन के बाद मिल रहे हैं आई थिंक सो। आज के सेशन में बेसिकली एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। द टॉपिक का नेम इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन। तो आज हम सीखेंगे कैसे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन की प्रॉब्लम्स को अप्रोच करते हैं। ये बेसिकली तुमको ग्रेड 10th में भी हेल्प करेगा एंड इट विल हेल्प यू एज वेल एज इन ग्रेड 11th ऑल्सो. So today I will take some particular type of trigonometric equation like a sin theta plus b cos theta, or you can say a sin theta minus b cos theta. तो कैसे इस टाइप के इक्वेशन को डील करते हैं आज हम सीखने वाले हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू इन टुडेज सेशन क्या डिस्कस करने वाले हम लोग, हाउ टू अप्रोच ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ व्हाट टाइप, जहां पे यू विल सी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ sin theta एंड cos theta. ठीक है, इफ यू सी ऑन द बोर्ड we have been given a sin theta plus b cos theta is m, right? एक linear combination है sin theta and cos theta. They're asking what will be the value of a cos theta minus b sin theta. So let's understand how to approach. So see, whenever you have these kind of equation, करना क्या है? Square both the equations and add both of them. The moment you do that, question is solved. कुछ left and right सोचना ही नहीं है, just square and add. So whatever thing I have to find out, I will assume that. Let's assume that this value is equal to x. Assume कर लिया हमने. तो square this equation first. A sin theta plus b cos theta whole square will be equal to m square. Open the square. It is a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus see एक common mistake है, a plus b whole square बहुत सारे बच्चे a square plus b square लिख देते हैं भाई, 2ab भी तो लिखना है, plus 2ab will be also there, तो ध्यान रखना 2ab का. So plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. तो बच्चों ये वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? m स्क्वायर. ये हो गई हमारी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. अब क्या करना है? इसको स्क्वायर करो दोनों साइड. इक्वेशन को स्क्वायर करना है, तो स्क्वायर करते हैं. तो जब इसको स्क्वायर करोगे तो क्या होगा? a cos theta minus b sin theta का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर. सो a स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस b स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर थीटा minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So this will be equal to x squared. This is your second equation. So I squared both the equation. Now what is the next step? Add both of them. Add first equation and second equation. So the moment you add them, you can see you can take a square common. So a square when you take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. Okay? A square into 1 will be a square. Plus when you add b square cos square theta, b square sin square theta. So b square you can take common. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The value will be b square. Now, when you add this term and this term, they are positive and negative. It will get cancelled, so value will be 0. Now, here we have m square plus x square. Now, what are you supposed to find out? You're supposed to find out the value of this expression, which is equal to x. So, rearrange the terms. So, it will be a square plus b square minus m square, which will be equal to x square. So, take under root. So, x will be equal to plus minus. Don't forget plus minus. These are fundamental mistake which you can do in the exam. So be careful. Whenever you take square root, the answer will be with plus and minus sign both. Okay. So this is the answer. I hope that the fundamental is clear. So whenever you have equations having linear combination of sin theta and cos theta, funda बहुत simple है. Square करो दोनों equation को and add it. The moment you add, you will see that theta का terms will eliminate. You can see that the moment I added, all the terms of theta got eliminated by using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, so let's take the next question. Let's solve the next question. Okay, students, let's solve the next question. If you see this question, here numbers are given. In the previous question, same funda, but unknowns were there, like unknowns in the sense it was not numerical value. Okay, but approach will be exactly same. So क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? Square both the equations and add. So whatever you're supposed to find out, you can assume this to be x. So what is the method to solve this, students? Square both the equations and add. So let's square it. So a plus b का whole square, a² plus b² plus 2ab. So 9 sin² theta plus 25 cos² theta plus 2ab will be what? 6 into 5, 30 sin theta cos theta. And that should be equal to 5 plus 5, 25. This is our first equation. Second equation. So we need to find the value of this. So I assumed it to be x square karo. So when you square it, 25 sin² theta plus 9 cos² theta minus 30 sin theta cos theta, which is equal to x. So we have these two equations. Next step क्या होगा बच्चों? दोनों को add कर दो. The moment we add both the equation, you can see that plus and minus का term gets cancelled. Here what you will do, you will club sin² theta का term with cos² theta का term. So 9 sin² theta will be clubbed with 9 cos² theta. 25 cos² theta will be clubbed with 25 sin² theta. So the moment you add 9, you can take common. Sin² theta plus cos² theta is 1. 9 into 1, 9. Similarly, 25 times of sin² theta plus cos² theta, which is 1, 25. Equal to 25 plus x². You can cancel 25, 25. So x will be equal to plus minus 3. So I hope that funda is clear that how to approach these kind of questions whenever you have a linear combination of sin theta and cos theta. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. Square both the equations by using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square and then add both the equations. You will get the answer in hardly 1 minute. Okay, but the approach should be clear to you. Okay, so important topic. So I have taken one more question. जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा change I have done. I have not taken sine and cos. What I have taken is cosecant and cot. Cosecant and cot. तो यहाँ पे जो combination है वो basically किसका है? Cosecant and cot. So we need to find out what is the value of mn. So m is cosecant plus cot, n is cosecant minus cot. You need to find m into n. Very simple question. So see, you need to find the product of m and n. क्या करोगे? You will multiply this term with this term. ठीक है? So you will multiply cosecant plus cot into cosecant minus cot because that's what is m into n. So all of you try this question and answer in the comment box what is the value of mn, and in the comment box do mention what is the next topic you want me to discuss from the chapter trigonometry. You will get that video within few days. So see you guys in the next session.